I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. As certified Xero partners, we specialise in making accounting software work for you.
Watch this video to learn how to use the Xero Homepage to manage business tasks and track performance. The Xero Homepage is your central hub to quickly understand how your business is performing. It's designed to give you a clear, concise overview of key financial information. Let's start with the bank tiles. See if you have any outstanding items to reconcile and whether your bank balances match. It's important to understand the two balances here. The statement balance is your opening bank balance plus any statement lines imported manually or from a bank feed. This balance should always match your actual online banking balance. The balance in Xero is your opening balance, plus all transactions you've created in Xero that affect the bank account. Once all your statement lines are reconciled, this balance should match your statement balance. Next are the invoices owed to you and bills to pay tiles. These provide a clear overview of your sales invoices and purchase bills organised by past and upcoming due dates, so you can easily view what amounts you can expect to receive or pay in the near future. Hover over the graph to see the total weekly transaction amounts. These tiles also summarise transactions that are awaiting payment and overdue, and those still in draft or that are awaiting approval, so you can easily identify what needs your immediate attention. Click any of these figures or the graph to navigate directly to the relevant section in Xero for a full breakdown. Use the New Invoice and Add Bill options to enter transactions without needing to click to other areas of Xero. View your most recent invoice payments to confirm details and amounts of invoices recently paid by your customers. Click View Paid Invoices to view all your paid invoices in Xero. Use the list of tasks to quickly address what needs to be done in Xero so you can feel confident that your data is up to date. Xero includes tasks for bank reconciliation, overdue bills, overdue invoices, and bills awaiting approval. The Chart of Account Watchlist is a powerful tool that helps you monitor your most important income and expense accounts for the current month and year to date. Keep on top of your cash flow by tracking key Chart of Accounts codes on the homepage. Compare budgets alongside monthly and year to date, cash in and cash out to monitor how they're performing. If any balance appears unusual, simply click the figure to view all the transactions making up that amount. Click the menu, then edit Accounts Watchlist to add accounts to your homepage. Click Go to the full chart of accounts to view your full chart of accounts. Use the Net Profit or Loss widget to get a clear visual breakdown of income versus expenses so you can track your profit or loss at a glance. Drill down into the details and customize the time period to show last month, quarter, financial year, and year to date. Finally, there's the cash in and out graph for a quick snapshot of your business's historical cash flow over the last 6 months. Hover over the graph to see the total cash in, cash out, and the overall difference for each month. For more detailed insights, click the graph to access a related report. Click Customise in the top right to edit your homepage exactly to your needs, so your priorities are always front and center. Simply drag and drop to reorder widgets and create a personalized layout. Click Add Widget, then use the toggles to choose which ones to display. Click Done to update your homepage. The Xero Homepage is designed to be a quick, insightful overview of your business's financial health. Explore its features and customize it to suit your needs.